Urine leakage, also known as urinary incontinence, is an incredibly common issue. It affects millions of people worldwide, both men and women. This involuntary loss of bladder control can stem from various factors. These include pregnancy, childbirth, aging, and even certain medical conditions. While the experience can be embarrassing and frustrating, it's crucial to remember that effective solutions exist. Many people suffer in silence, unaware that simple lifestyle changes and targeted exercises can significantly improve their condition. One of the most effective strategies involves strengthening the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles act like a supportive hammock, cradling the bladder and other pelvic organs. When these muscles are strong, they provide better bladder control and prevent unwanted leaks. Imagine your pelvic floor muscles as a network of muscles working tirelessly to support your bladder and regulate urination. These muscles stretch from your pubic bone to your tailbone, forming a supportive base for your pelvic organs. Just like any other muscle in your body, your pelvic floor thrives on exercise. Strengthening these muscles is paramount to addressing urine leakage issues. When you strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, you're essentially improving their ability to contract and relax effectively. This enhanced control translates into better bladder support and a reduced likelihood of experiencing leaks. It's important to remember that these muscles, like any other, can weaken over time due to factors like childbirth, surgery, or simply aging. Kegel exercises are renowned as the cornerstone of pelvic floor strengthening. These exercises, named after Dr. Arnold Kegel, who first described them, have been a gold standard in pelvic health for decades. They are simple yet incredibly effective exercises that you can perform discreetly almost anywhere. Whether you're at work, at home, or even on the go, Kegels can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. The beauty of Kegels lies in their subtlety. You can perform them while sitting at your desk, relaxing on the sofa, or even during a meeting without anyone noticing, or even waiting in a queue. This makes them an incredibly versatile exercise that fits into any lifestyle. The key is to correctly identify the muscles you need to engage. To perform Kegels, imagine you are trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. This visualization helps in pinpointing the right muscles. Squeeze and lift those muscles. Those are your pelvic floor muscles. It's important to focus on these specific muscles to ensure you're doing the exercise correctly. Squeeze and lift those muscles. Those are your pelvic floor muscles. Hold the contraction for a few seconds, then slowly release. This controlled movement is crucial for building strength. Hold the contraction for a few seconds, then slowly release. As you practice, you'll become more adept at isolating and engaging these muscles. Consistency is key to seeing improvement. As you practice, you'll become more adept at isolating and engaging these muscles. Over time, you'll notice increased control and strength, which can lead to significant health benefits. A helpful tip for women is to insert a finger into the vagina and try to squeeze around it. This can help you feel the pelvic floor muscles engaging. This tactile feedback can be very useful in ensuring you're performing the exercises correctly. Bridges, a gentle lift for core strength. Bridges offer another excellent way to strengthen your pelvic floor and core muscles simultaneously. This exercise is simple yet highly effective, making it suitable for all fitness levels. This exercise is particularly beneficial as it engages the entire posterior chain, including your back, glutes, and hamstrings. By working these muscles, you not only improve strength but also enhance overall stability and posture. By strengthening these supporting muscles, you indirectly contribute to a more stable and supported pelvic floor. This can be especially helpful for those looking to improve their core stability and reduce lower back pain. To perform a bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Ensure your feet are firmly planted to provide a solid base for the movement. Your arms should rest comfortably by your sides. This position helps to stabilize your upper body as you lift your hips. Engage your core and glutes as you lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. This alignment is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Hold the position for a few seconds, feeling the contraction in your glutes and pelvic floor. This pause helps to intensify the muscle engagement. Slowly lower your hips back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Repeat this exercise for several repetitions to fully benefit from its strengthening effects. Consistency is key. Frequency and duration. The key to experiencing significant improvement in urine leakage is consistency. Just like any muscle strengthening program, you need to incorporate these exercises into your routine regularly. Aim to perform Kegels at least 3 times a day, holding each contraction for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat each set 10 to 15 times for optimal results. For squats and bridges, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions, 2 to 3 times per week. As your pelvic floor muscles strengthen, you can gradually increase the duration of your Kegel holds and the number of repetitions for squats and bridges. Listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Reclaiming control, a life beyond leakage. Remember, managing urine leakage is a journey, not a race. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that empower you to regain control. By incorporating Kegels, squats, and bridges into your routine and practicing them consistently, you can significantly strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and experience a drastic reduction in urine leakage. These exercises are not merely about alleviating a physical condition. They are about improving your quality of life. They empower you to engage in physical activities without worry, reclaim your confidence, and live life to the fullest. Remember, seeking guidance from a healthcare professional is always recommended, especially if you experience persistent issues or have underlying medical conditions. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content.